Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of the videos. This one is on the Celebrity Reflection, a complete ship tour. Enjoy. The main dining room aboard the Celebrity Reflection is the Opus dining room, spanning both decks 3 and 4. Each deck here is divided by dining time preferences. Especially for suite guests is a restaurant called Lumine. It is located on the left-hand corner of deck 3. The primary buffet aboard the Celebrity Reflection is the Ocean View Cafe, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they serve pizza late into the night. Celebrity Cruise Line is a great line for those with dietary restrictions, such as vegans and vegetarians. You'll find whole sections of the buffet specializing in foods just for vegans. I especially love the variety of ice creams and sorbets offered complimentary aboard the Celebrity Reflection. Deck 5 is where you'll find a majority of the specialty dining options. Here we have sushi on 5. If you enjoy alfresco dining, the Celebrity Reflection will meet your needs with a lot of options, this one being the Lawn Club Grill. The Porch is a specialty dining option that offers great seafood selections such as tuna tartare, ceviche, and lobster bisque. On deck 14, you'll find the Spa Cafe full of fresh and healthy options. The Mass Grill is your spot to grab complimentary cheeseburgers, fries, and hot dogs during the day. Right around the corner from this is a soft serve ice cream machine you don't want to miss. If you're looking to quench your thirst on a hot day after swimming, I recommend the Mass Bar. On deck 4, you'll find the Martini Bar, which is a great option to enjoy libations and catch up with good friends. Murano is the French restaurant on board the Celebrity Reflection. I definitely recommend making reservations in advance. Believe me, space fills up fast with all of the specialty dining options here. Here's a sneak peek of Michael's Club. This is a private lounge for guests of the retreat. Here we have the Tuscan Grill. Absolutely phenomenal service and food. You do once again want to book in advance. This is Celebrity's specialty dining Italian restaurant. Blue is a specialty dining option reserved only for those staying in the Aqua Class cabins and other suites. Here you'll find something called Le Petit Chef. This is a holographic culinary experience where a miniature chef is projected making food on your plate. It is especially great for families with children. If you happen to be dining at the Ocean View Cafe in the evening, do yourself a favor, try to catch the sunset. It is phenomenal. The Celebrity Reflection doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of some of the new mega ships, which is great and makes this ship perfect for relaxation, unwinding, and having simple fun. This is the Solarium on deck 14. Being enclosed, it makes for a great retreat. Even during bad weather, you can enjoy yourself. I've heard a lot of people mistakenly say Celebrity Cruises is designated for the more mature traveler. This couldn't be further from the case. I found a wide range of demographic and age aboard, and everyone had a great time. You'll find both outdoor and indoor activities available to you both night and day. You are sure to have a good time aboard the Celebrity Reflection. Deck 16, also the highest point of the ship, where you want to go to get a great tan. For those wanting to stay in shape, there's a jogging track on deck 15, as well as a half basketball court. Here's a look at just some of the many activities you can expect to find on board during your stay. If your health is a priority this vacation, for simple relaxation, I encourage you to come down to the spa. They have phenomenal services and a great fitness center. Fun fact, this is a relaxation room. This is open to all guests staying in the Aqua class. If you're in need of a little retail therapy, we have shopping and the casinos on both deck 4 and 5. You'll find lots to buy, and everything is tax and duty free. I recommend frequently stopping by the stores. There will be sales throughout your cruise. Each day there may be something different, so it's worth stopping by to see what's available. Like many other cruise brands, Park West is available on board. Great way to start collecting art. The casino is spacious and offers most games people seek. One thing to take note of is there is no smoking allowed inside the casino. Here we have the iLounge. Celebrity Cruise Lines actually has an exclusive arrangement with Apple. So they sell a lot of the Apple products there at sea. If you're missing anything, you can pick it up here on the ship. Here we have the Hideaway. The Hideaway is located on both decks 7 and 8. Is a great spot just to chat with friends, to sit down and relax for a little bit. They also put out puzzles and games there as well. One really neat feature is that alcoves you see built into the wall all have charging ports. So if you need to charge your device and you want to hang out there, it's a great spot for that. I can't say this emphatically enough. I love the library aboard the Celebrity Reflection. It was one of my favorite places to hang out and just read a book and unwind and relax, or get some writing done or some work done during the day. The Captain's Club is Celebrity's frequent cruiser reward program. The more you cruise, the more benefits and discounts you'll get. On Deck 9, you'll find Game On. This is a location where you can play card games. There's also built in games right there in the table that you can play. They're all interactive and touch sensitive. Deck 3 is where you'll find experts who can help you plan shore excursions, and also where you'll find guest services in case you need anything. At the Reflection Theater, you'll find outstanding entertainment options. During the day, they play movies here. During the evenings, you'll find amazing performances and shows. Celebrity Central is a smaller venue where you'll find games like Deal or No Deal during the day, as well as premiere movies at night. The nightlife on board the Celebrity Reflection is a lot of fun. I have to take my hat off to the entertainment team and the DJs. They do an amazing job. Make sure to keep an eye out on the ship schedule. Sometimes there'll be events in the evening around the poolside on deck 14. The primary nightclub is called the Sky Observation Lounge, and it really turns up at night. It was a great time. A majority of the cabins aboard the Reflection are balcony category rooms. Here's a quick look of what you can expect. I do like the fact that Celebrity stocks you with premium soaps, conditioner, and shampoos. My cabin type came with an obstructed view, and this particular cruise I waited a little too long to book, and this was all I had available to me. Nonetheless, it was a great time, and if you don't mind an obstructed view, sometimes it can be a great way to also save money. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel once again and watching another video. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to like and subscribe. This really helps me a lot. Also, feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comment section. I also will take suggestions if you have anything you want to see aboard any of these ships.